Hey, it's the Motion Design School and my name is Sasha. In this lesson, I'll show you an easy technique for creating frame-by-frame walk animation. For the frame-by-frame animation, I'll be using Photoshop, but you can animate in absolutely any software you find convenient. And I will compose everything and create additional animation in the After Effects. Let's get started. I'll animate the sun character. I've drawn everything beforehand on separate layers, as I am going to use them later. So, animating walk is amazingly simple. For this, it is enough to use the contact method animation. It is well described in the book Animation Survival Kit. What is the contact method? It's simple. First, you need to draw two contact poses. Now, between these frames, I'll draw a pacing pose. It is also called a breakdown. This is the most important part of the animation and takes the most attention. The character of the walk fully depends on how you draw it, but in my case it will be a casual walk. So I am simply drawing the breakdown higher so the audience can feel the weight of the character. So, this is the basic principle of animating a walk, and using it as a basis, you can create a bunch of variations by simply changing the character of the breakdown. After this, everything is simple. I'm drawing the in-between frames. That's all. The rough animation is done. Then, on top of the draft, I'll sketch the final design of the legs and did the rough animation of the cloak. After that, I made a line and additional animations. For example, blinking and the dust under the foot. And at the end, I filled in the entire animation. That's it. The frame-by-frame animation is finished at this stage. As you can see, the head and cloak remain in place. This is because I will animate them in After Effects. After importing the files, I first did a full walk cycle by just copying the layers and swapping them. Okay, now I move on to animating the cloak. I parent its back to the front. And I'm animating the front layer of the cloak, keyframing position and scale. Then I'm applying easy ease by pressing F9. Then I'm applying in the expression to scale and position values, which will loop the animation. You can type it in manually or use our character tool plugin by simply clicking this button. Then I'm offsetting the timings a little. Done. I do the same with the head. After that, I added the rest of the details to the animation. And that is all. The animation is ready. Now let's recap. How can you easily create frame-by-frame walk animation? Firstly, draw the contact poses. Secondly, draw a walk-through position defining the animation character. Thirdly, draw the in-betweens. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. You can find all the project files and links in the description section under the video. Like it, share it, write comments and suggest topics for the next videos. Subscribe to Motion Design School and to me. See you soon!